Lily Allen silently snapped Molly's neck. Lily Allen would kill me? Lily Allen killed me. Guys, I'm about to use her song as a song suggestion. I'm like one of her biggest fans. Why would you do that to me? Sinatra goes to sleep. That makes sense because she's Sinatra. Get it?
12 seconds later.
Happy Penguin. Guys, this is a really sad list. Wait, I died? When the fuck did I die? Huh? Guys, did I miss when I died? Oh, I thought I was going to win. Wait, did I miss that? Like, can I go back? When did I die? It didn't even mention my death at all. But I died. Rest my soul. So I'm gone. Kiss for me. Damn it, I wanted to see if I would win. Oldie Shadow Lady, at least we're in heaven together.